Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on TCL 40R. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open and then click on agree and continue, and you can close this ad. Now click on consent and click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now you're connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.